Hi everyone, I'm Teal Clise with the Teal Clise Group of eXp Realty. And if you're thinking of selling your home in 2022, this message is for you. Of course, early 2022 with low interest rates and low inventory, we're still expecting a really strong seller's market. And even so, I am urging our clients to not skimp on this one really low cost preparation, and that's a professional cleaning. One of the number one complaints our agents hear from buyers is that a house is dirty or even worse, filthy. And even if everything else is sort of perfect, they will pass it up. And the reason is the buyer psychology. When buyers see a dirty home, they really start to wonder what else isn't being taken care of. So, of course, if you're selling your home, you want to sell your home for the most money in the shortest time possible. So don't skimp on that professional cleaning. It'll cost you around $200 to $400, and you'll do it right before you go on market, and that'll present your home in the best light possible, even in the strong seller's market. Don't leave anything on the table. If you're thinking of selling your home, call me. We can talk timing, strategy, and of course, I'll share my list of vetted cleaners with you. If you know anyone else who is selling in 2022, please share this video with them. We love your referrals and we appreciate that you're looking out for us. Have a great day. Bye-bye.